We are live. My name is David, and this is part 2 of my Blackboard Learn Release 9 preview. I'm at the staging area right now. I've already signed in, and as I discovered last time, we can move these modules around. As I also noticed, the course websites tend to load slowly. And now there are these new buttons over here on the right hand side, and they release more options whose labels are a bit nebulous. I'm not sure. Rename link? Oh, I can rename it from here. Oh, interesting. And I can hide the link. Maybe I don't want to do that. I can permit guests. How does that work? And I can delete. Okay. Build content. As I said before, there are a lot of options now. Too many, in fact, I think. Oh goodness, look at all of these options. The new IT coordinator for my department will have to spend an entire semester teaching colleagues how to navigate all of these nebulous options. Goodness. Look at how many things there are here. Okay. Anyway, going back to other areas. So, as I noticed before, these things are not loading on Safari 5 on Mac OS 10.6.4. I'm not sure. Maybe is this Flash or something? I don't know why these things aren't loading. But it's great that we can move them and even hide them. Great. Going into content collection, I see again these ubiquitous downward arrows, and there are a lot of options. Open versus 360 view. Let's take a look at the 360 view. Oh, okay, so the 360 view is akin to the get information on OS 10.6.4 or the information section in Windows 7. So this actually provides folder information. It would have been nice if it just said information, not 360 view. Edit. Edit settings including folder name and options such as folder, quota, and locks. Comments, notifications, passes, permissions, bookmark items. Okay. It seems a bit cluttered here. There's too much information. There are too many columns. Goodness. As I mentioned before, in part 1, on the one hand, Blackboard Learn Release 9 looks better than Academic Suite Release 8. On the other hand, there are even more features. There is more feature creep in Release 9. There are simply too many columns and too much information on each page to process. Let me go into the course that I just taught. So I don't think this bodes well for uptake, rapid uptake. I think new users will have to spend weeks, if not months, learning how to navigate all of these right-hand down arrow buttons. Figuring out if things can be touched, what can be touched, what cannot be touched. AIMS and ICMS do not load here. Let's see if webmail does. Oh, it does. Great. So the new IT coordinator has his work cut out